हेलो गाइस, आज मैं अपने भाई को एबीसीडी पढ़ाने वाली हूँ। A for apple, purple. B for ball, C for cat, D for dog, E for elephant, F for fish, G for grass, H for hand, I for ice cream, J for jug, J for jug, K for kite, L for lion, M for monkey, N for Nash, O for orange, P for parrot, Q for king, R for rose, S for sheep, T for tiger, U for umbrella, V for van, W for watch, X for expressing, Y for yak, Z for